Anyway, so thank you for giving me a little bit of information about yourselves. This is the agenda, and what I thought, what I thought of doing was starting with the end in mind, because this is about generative AI. So I think the most important thing is to understand how this is different to regular AI. And then I can talk more about AI. I think, my approach for this presentation is to equip you with the fundamentals of what's going on in the AI field, so that when you walk out of here, you are better equipped to make informed decisions about AI going forward, because there's a lot of hype, there's a lot of fiction, and misinformation along with that. So hopefully you'll be in a better position to understand what AI can do and what it actually cannot do, because there's a lot that it cannot do. Anyway, and because we're talking about generative AI, neural networks has to be part of the conversation. Okay, yeah. Because when we talk about things like stable diffusion models, variational autoencoders, adversarial networks, those are all based on neural networks. So I'm going to try to keep it as simple as I can, but I can't have a conversation about those things without at least telling you what's happening with neural networks. So I'll try to keep it as simple as I possibly can. And then we can go into, if we want to, some of the generative AI models. And yeah, that's the agenda, guys. Please keep it, do keep it interactive. I'm going to be asking questions as well as we go along. Because when you prepare a presentation, you don't know who your audience is, you don't know what the skill set is, you don't know what the experience is, so it's good to make it a two-way conversation.